Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 33439. The job location is in Houston, Texas. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: Python, Pandas, Boto 3, NumPy, experienced and good understanding of JSON, XML, data structures, cloud technologies, microservices API, AWS, IAM, S3, EFS, ECS, EC2, Amazon SQS, Amazon SNS, AWS APIs, AWS CLI, Amazon Kinesis, Apache Kafka, AWS Lambda, CloudWatch, CloudFormation, serverless scripting, experience working with databases like Oracle, SQL Server, DB2 or NoSQL databases like Cassandra, DynamoDB, PostgreSQL Big, Data Technologies Cassandra, Hadoop, Spark, Solar. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 5 years. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.